here as judges. Wala halos pinagkaiba ang gagawin natin bilang mga miyembro ng committee sa ginagawa ng isang prosecutor na nagsasagawa ng preliminary investigation. I am speaking as not as an endorser. I'm not endorsing any of the impeachment complaints. I am speaking simply as a member of the committee para maging malinaw sa lahat, lalong-lalo na sa publiko, kung ano ba talaga ang mangyayari ngayong araw na ito. Just like in a preliminary investigation, we are here to inquire into the truth. And just like a prosecutor has the power to issue a subpoena in order to determine the truth, yun din po ang ginagawa ng ating Committee on Justice. Dalawa po ang layunin natin at sana ito'y maging klaro to everyone, including the respondent. Unang-una ay kailangan maprotektahan natin ang mga opisyal sa mga reklamong walang basehan. And I'm sure every member of the committee will not hesitate if we see that there is no evidence to support a complaint. At pangalawa, siguraduhin na hindi maaksaya ang oras ng Senado kung uupo man sila bilang impeachment court. We are here as to fulfill our mandate under the Constitution to initiate a complaint if there is sufficient basis or evidence. Kaya nga, kailangan natin makita ngayon at sa mga darating na mga hearing kung may ebidensya at kung talagang kapanipaniwala po yan. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Jokno. So,